Hey everyone, welcome back. Hotwheels X Daniel Arsham livery Porsche 930A. In his second collab with Porsche, Daniel Arsham rebuilt a 1986 Porsche 930, the turbocharged version of a Porsche 911, and gave it a livery inspired by a 1980 entrant at 24 Hours of Le Mans. Look closely and you will spot a 3020 Rally Monte Carlo badge to setting this car up for the time-bending future discovery. Body color gloss white, chassis Zamak, wheels Real Rider Classic 5-spoke wheels with liquid silver hubs and Arsham Studio Tempo. Window color lightly tinted, interior color plastic replica of a 1:1 version's Italian leather and a stone-washed canvas. This car comes in unpacked acrylic case. The price of the car is $70, releasing on February 23, 2024 at 9 a.m. Pacific Time. Now let's check out new upcoming Hot Wheels X Herschel supply, a Land Rover Defender 90, a completely detailed car and will be in upcoming packed acrylic case. So check out a sneak peek of this car. Hot Wheels Metal Toy Fair Car, a Land Rover Defender 90. New upcoming Hot Wheels RLC car, a Porsche 944 Dirt Mister. Hot Wheels new upcoming 2024 convention car, a 1955 Chevy Bel Air Gasser, in a complete Mona's livery. Another new upcoming collab has a Hot Wheels X Wrangler, a 1985 Ford Bronco, will be in a packed acrylic case. Now let's check out new upcoming Hot Wheels Mainline Wave 1 posters. So check out a sneak peek of this upcoming complete posters. Now let's check out some premium cars. A Dynamic Works first Koenigsegg CC850. It is a brand new Global 64 tooling and is now available for pre-ordering via authorized resellers. Born in 1995 with a 2.0-liter 4G 63T turbocharged engine that produces 270 horsepower. Pre-ordering this brand new Global 64 tooling casting of a Mitsubishi Lancer Evo 3 with the authorized resellers. A 993 remastered by Gunter Rex in a Gulf inspired livery. So pre-order has already been started. Now let's check out new upcoming cars by Mini GT. So here's the lineups of a new upcoming McLarens. So check out a sneak peek of these cars. Some are prototypes. A X-Car Toys presents a GWM Tank 700, a new model by X-Car Toys. Coming soon, so check out a sneak peek of these cars. A Time Micro presents a Nissan Skyline GTR R34Z Tune. Color of the cars are Need for Speed, limited up to 999 each color. Made from die-cast, releasing on April 2024. And the last model for today's episode is by More Art presents a Car Repair Guy 4-person doll set, releasing on April 2024. So check out a sneak peek of this set. So collectors, thanks for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to all notifications. See you next time.